Top of the afternoon to y'all. Today on Rocking with M.A.W, I got a nice little treat for some of you who's gonna be taking a little bit way back. You know what I mean? Reminiscing kind of way back. You feel me? Y'all gonna like this. Some of you gonna like it. I don't know about the rest of y'all. You know, it's only a handful of people that appreciate my musical abilities. But first off, I like to say, Fernando, man, your thing is I can't let it go, but I'm gonna give it to you. I gotta paint it, and then I gotta make sure all the paint is looking nice. So I might need a few more days with it. Nah, not really. I need a few more days, not because of the paint, but because of other things. But no, you gonna like it though. You know what I mean? It may take some use to get into, but ultimately, I think you'll be smiling. And that was some nice things you said about me too, man. That was some nice things, man. I like that, man. That was good looking, you know. That was very nice of you to say that. He's been following me for a little bit, Fernando, and he's learned quite a bit from my channel, I'm sure, as well as others. But you know, hey, different strokes for different folks. Some people can learn more on other people's channels. You know what I mean? You know, because I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm not professional. You know what I mean? I'm as real as they come. I'm a realist. And I don't know. People just can't accept my natural ability. So it may cause me to say some things in my video or show some things in my video that has some people saying, man, he could do a better job than, you know, showing the ground and what have you. But man, I think people appreciate originality. You know, I have a review coming up, and some of you may have this product already. I'm not going to say nothing, but some of you had this product probably already. The recent one, maybe not so much, but I made a review on this product quite some time ago, and it was in a way that I had a bad week. Let's put it that way. And I may have said some things to this person about their product, and he didn't particularly watch the video, but it got back to him. And needless to say, the person's not been out of shape about it, you know, because I had valid criticism, constructive criticism. But the other stuff was unnecessary and it wasn't called for. And sometimes it just slips out. I just can't help it. Why? Because I speak what's on my mind. I'm as natural as they come. I don't rehearse this crap. I wish I did, but I can't. It's not in me. You know, I think people appreciate that just as much as somebody who's trying to put on a show. So I don't candy coat nothing. I tell it like it is. I think by now, whatever I tell y'all, you can rest assured it's not in my intentions to steer you any other direction, but right, you know, to share what I know. It's not my intentions to mislead anybody, because I have nothing to gain from that. It doesn't make any sense to me. Maybe to other people, why? Because they're not on my level. They're not in that right frame of mind. So you know, as you well know, if you've been following me for a while, I have a small customer base. So, you know, what I say is one man's opinion. You know, it's not like it's going to upset the natural order of things. It doesn't work that way. All right. What works for somebody may not work for somebody else. But when you have a handful of people saying the same thing, now maybe there's something to be reevaluated. Then there's a problem there. You know, so I'm not the problem. So let's create a solution. You know, just because I say something, it may not be an original message that you may be taking it. But hey, if it's not funny to some people, or maybe it is to some people, I mean, it wasn't meant to be either or. It just is, you know, because I am, you know. So that means I'm in control of I'm a grown man. I can say what I want to say, basically. But I have a review coming up, as you well know, that I reviewed Mormon's product back in the day, and I didn't have so nice things to say about it, and I had reason to, because I was pissed. You know, here I am excited about a tool, and it fails on me 3 times, and one of their other handles exploded in me. I mean, exploded. I closed off on a deep ledge, and it just fell apart on me. It's resting in peace now. I buried it. I mean, but it's made of a fragile plastic. I'm sorry, you know. So I said some things that may be a little harsh because I say things in a natural way. But I reviewed another product, and I'm not going to get into all that because I've already apologized to the guy, and you know, I have an upcoming review on the recent tool for this manufacturer. I'll be reviewing it probably shortly. I'm not sure when it'll come, but I'm going to check it out nonetheless. And I'll explain all about what it was in the previous video I said about this product and why I said it. All right, so that's that. But this is Masters at Wagtail. Come back and join me for some visual dancing and some classic R&B and old school hip hop. It should be something special. But this is Masters at Wagtail, and I'll see you in the next one. Macka-fracka-lacka. Peace, peace, peace.